In this video, we're going to talk about DIDs, direct inward dials, or DDIs, direct dial-ins, as referenced in GoContact. To access the DIDs working in your operation, click on the Voice Manager icon on the left side menu bar. Once in the Voice Manager, the DID numbers you have available are located in the bottom right of your screen. Here you can see a list of DID numbers working in your operation, the description which helps you identify the purpose of that number, the application where the number is being used, and the target ID and the target name. You can filter by information here. One thing to note is that whatever word, letter, number you enter here, GoContact will search every field and return a list of DIDs with that criteria somewhere within the DID. So it is important to be specific and narrow the results down if you have a lot of DIDs working in your operation. You can also download this information as a CSV to store externally. If you would like to modify or assign a DID to a different queue, extension, or IVR menu, click on the pencil and paper under Actions. In the pop-up, you can view the DID or DDI number and gateway. These are set by default and are not editable. You can, however, change the application to extension, inbound queue, or IVR menu. Once you select an application, the destination drop-down to the right will populate all of the available destinations within that application. For example, if I select extensions, my destination is going to populate with a list of the extensions available. If I select inbound queues here, my destinations are going to give me a list of all of the available inbound queues. Agent Direct allows you to select an agent working in the selected queue to exclusively receive calls from this DID. If you do not select Agent Direct, then all agents in this queue will receive calls from this DID. Description. We can add whatever we consider appropriate for that DID. So we'll enter test. Once we've configured our DID and made the necessary changes, we hit save. GoContact will ask us if we want to proceed with the change. We'll say yes. And we'll get a notification that we have updated our DID successfully. And we can see here that we have changed the inbound queue to after hours, and the description now says test.